What's up, beautiful people? It's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I'm testing out a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial. So if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that way back when on YouTube, I used to do makeup and hair tutorials, and then wonderful, talented people like Nikki kind of really started to emerge on YouTube, and I was like, okay, this is not for me. I do not have that much skill. So I thought it'd be fun to do a makeup tutorial. Some of you guys still ask me all the time to do makeup and hair tutorials, so I thought this would be a little fun way to kind of throw that in there. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see something else similar to this. Let me know what you would like to see in the comments down below. And before we get started, we cannot forget our shout out squad of the video. So if you want to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday and Saturday and sometimes on Thursdays. And then click the little bell next to it and then leave a comment saying like notification squad or shout out squad. Leave a fun creative comment, and if you get to a video early, you're more likely to be featured. So get there early. And so yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Ooh, the only thing I have resembling that is my Pixie primer. It has a really pretty shimmery finish. Usually I just use my hands, but I'm gonna buff it in like she does. It's not as shimmery, but it still has a really pretty like shimmery finish. I don't know how she gets her skin so flawless. I feel like when I use that much foundation, I look cakey. I'm just gonna go for it and just use a lot more foundation than I normally would. That didn't even look like it made a dent.
And let me say it again, if you are new here and you are looking for a natural finish, this is not the channel.
It's actually not as scary as I thought it'd be. She knows what she's talking about. I just gotta use a little heavier hand from now on. Ooh, that's different. She's using like a fluffy brush. All right, let's give that a try.
I've hit pan, I love that much. Under the eyes.
And we gotta go in with our sponge. Ooh, I never did the bacon before.
And I'm gonna bake my under eye area using the Maybelline
Powder?
Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder.
Oh, is that right? Is that enough? Good. Oh, I went too far forward. Okay, that's just, oh, that's nothing on that eye. She's leaving me alone for my eyebrows. I guess I gotta figure that one out myself. Okay, slow down, slow your roll. Did we brush this off now? I think we do. I think it's gone. I don't know what we do with it. Do we pat it? I think we brush it off with something. All right. So she did a kind of...
First, I'm kind of stamping the color on in the shape that I want, and today I'm keeping the shape a little bit more rounded.
Well,
and by pressing the color in first into the shape that you like it, you're gonna have minimal fallout.
I feel like my eyeballs are so small when I try to fit everything in. Oh no.
Now that you've got this very intense shape, you want to go in with a clean blending brush and buff out the edges. And just use very light feathery strokes. You barely do.
So that's how you do that. This is why I don't do makeup anymore. I do not know all these things. There are much better people out there for makeup tutorials.
Kind of stamp the brush down and drag it down towards the lid.
Finally, an easy step that I can do. Oh fun, more dark brown. Okay. Hopefully this part will be a little less scary.
You first want to create a smoky liner. So I'm going back in with that dark brown color. And you're applying this on top of the concealer,
I imagine we stay kind of away from the liner. Trying to get this in one place is gonna be pretty interesting.
This is called Gatsby, and their pigments are one of my favorite pigments on the market. So this is going right on the bare edge.
I don't know how I'm gonna blend this in and make it look good, because it's just a hot mess. Let me just take a clean brush maybe and just kind of massage it in there. All right, we also got to go big on the highlight. This is what I'm excited for. I'm loving, I always love her highlights, and I'm always so afraid to go so crazy and bold. That went from a thin little line to a thick line in like 0.1 seconds. So, I don't really know how she did this. I'm just gonna kind of smudge it out, I guess. I feel like I need some up here, but we're gonna see what she does to kind of fix that. All right, now we're taking like a little burgundy brown to warm. I don't think I've ever made like eyeshadow and eyeliner so thick on the bottom, but I'm like really excited to see how this turns out now because this is so different than what I'm used to. Okay, so it looks like I think the eyelashes are going to help darken up this up here. So we're gonna get that situation going. I'm gonna do that off camera. All right, I'm not used to this. I always do my bronzer like with my foundation, so this is different. I like it. It's pulling the whole look together. It's smart because then you can match it to your eyeshadow.
Bronzy bronze, bronzy bronze. I bronze up the face.
She does it in like a swirly motion. I like that. I'm not used to that. So I'm learning lots of things today, guys, and I'm not mad about it.
I am thankful for bronzer this Thanksgiving. Alright, quick.
For the blush, she goes from her apples out. Ooh, okay, we got this fancy stuff again that I'm not too good at. I've never done it before, so here we go. Where do you start? Oh. Cut that cheek. I'm literally learning so much stuff in this video. Maybe I should watch makeup tutorials again. Oh my gosh, how did she get her highlights so glowy? Trying all types of brushes to get that. Okay, time to get rid of our Santa beard. Wow, that makes such a difference. Oh my goodness. Nikki, I love you. You're like transforming my life right now and my face. Oh, I actually think I have those exact ones. Let me see. I don't know. They look kind of similar. It's gonna do the job. Maybe not quite. It's okay, this is pretty. Okay, 2 hours later, I think we're finally done. Okay, wow, so I'm not used to wearing so much makeup. I honestly thought it would look a lot more cakey than it actually does. It just seems like you're putting pounds of makeup on your face, which you kind of are, but when you apply it, when I applied it like she did, it was like, wow, it's actually not that cakey. So I was really impressed, and I think it also looks amazing on camera. It looks good in real life too, but it just makes my face look flawless on camera. I mean, not flawless. I just think I need to start doing my makeup like a little more heavy, especially when I'm filming. I'm really pleased with how it came out. I mean, obviously it's not nearly as good as hers, but I'm pretty proud of myself. It's been a while since I did my makeup like a full face like this. So please give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know what video you would like to see next in the comments down below. And that's all I have for you guys today, so I hope you have an amazing day. If you missed my last videos, you could click on over to the side of me, and I'll see you guys Saturday for a brand new video. Mwah!